This is a super simple video. This is a basic Gmail audit. I'm going to show you a little bit of the code, but you can go and grab this in the description. I'll put a link to this in the description. This shows me how many days back I can set this. I'll show you where, how many messages I've gotten, how many Gmails I have, how many I have on average per day, and how many are unread, and are the subjects above or under 50 characters, subjects with all caps words. I'll set some words here that I want to check if they have the subject in them, if they have the word in the subject. And I can also see a count of how many emails I get over the course of certain hours. And then I can also see the top sending domains. Now, this bettersheets.co, that's me. I am bettersheets.co. I actually send myself a lot of emails. I actually send myself an email a day. It's one of the products I sell. It's called Sell Daily. Go check it out. But also, check out bettersheets.co just to see cool Google Sheets like this. I'm going to go over to extensions app script. I'm going to walk you through the code. So the first things first is I go to our custom menu and I'm going to reset this audit. And what that's doing is it's literally on open. I'm just creating a menu, and this reset audit, all it's doing is deleting the sheet summary, called summary. And when I run the Gmail audit, it's going to create a sheet called summary. So you can see here, I have sheet. I also have raw here. That actually is a list of all the emails. I'm not going to show you in this video, but just trust me, it's there. So in the script, again, you can get the script in the description below. Just copy the sheet and run your own audit. We're going to set our days back. This could be 50, 60. I set it to 30. I want to see how many emails I got within the past month, right? Roughly. Max threads set here. I have tried this at higher threads, but I get an error that it's too much. So I've set this at 500. Summary, if you want to change the name of the summary tab, change it here. Also change it down here. But let's look at what this run Gmail audit function does. First, it's going to build a query. It's going to go how many days back, newer than, look for days, and it's going to use Gmail app.search and put that query in there. We're going to set a bunch of these metrics down to 0. This is just creating the first total messages number at 0. And then for every single thread, we're going to go through a certain sort of regimen and just say, is this message after a date or is it greater than now? This total messages plus just means take the variable now and add 1. So that's a really good shorthand to have if you are just iterating a number. We're checking if it's unread. We're checking the subject. And let's look at where that subject is used. It's used for the length. We're getting the first word. We're getting any all caps words. We have a function called has all caps. We have a function that says get first word. We can actually go and find this get first word. Here it is. It's just saying take the subject, replace it, trim it, put it to lowercase, and give us the first part. Here it's testing, does it have an emoji? Here we're taking it and testing against certain words like AI, crypto, SaaS. If you want to change these, literally just change this AI here to whatever word you want. You don't have to change the variable here. Maybe you don't want crypto, but maybe you want circle back. So you want to say circle. And then you're just going to want to come down to this 209 row till 227. And instead of mentions crypto, this is just text and you say circle. And maybe we want CIRCL, maybe without the E. And just hit Command S or save. So it's pushing all of the data into the raw section. And then it's going to write this summary sheet, all of these variables. It's going to add them there. And that's the end of the app script. If you want to take a deeper dive, again, just check the app script out in the description, copy it to your drive, and use it so we can run this Gmail audit. And it's going to say running script. Also, it's going to have you authorize it the very first time that you run it. Just make sure you authorize it. It's not sending me any data at all. It's just running on your drive. If you do have any failures, it will say that it has a failure. But you can also check over here in app script over on the left side. And we can see it's still running. This is going to take a minute or two. Here it's done. And you can see all of the counts here. Again, just grab it down below. I hope you enjoy this Gmail audit. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, One of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.